Hello everyone, welcome to mobilestechland.com. In today's video, we will take a look at how to get your iPhone 6 battery replaced and how to get Apple to do it. Apple has announced that it will replace your iPhone 6 battery if it's faulty. This is good news for iPhone 6 owners who have found that their device is shutting down without warning. Apple is offering the iPhone 6s replacement service worldwide. So no matter where you are, if your iPhone 6 battery is faulty, you can get it replaced for free. Now let's find out how to check your iPhone 6s if it is eligible for the battery replacement. Apple is replacing the batteries for the iPhone 6s devices that were manufactured between September and October 2015. To find out if your iPhone 6s can get the free battery replacement, you need to check the serial number of your iPhone 6s. The best way to do this is to take it to an Apple store or Apple Authorized Service Provider and they will check it for you. You can find out where your nearest Apple store is with the Find a Store website. Before getting your iPhone 6s battery replacement, there are some things which you need to know. If your iPhone 6s is eligible for a free battery replacement, then before you hand your device over, you should back up your data to your PC or to iCloud. For a full guide on this, check out the link in the description below. You should also turn off Find My iPhone and erase data and settings. You can then restore the data later. To turn off Find My iPhone, open up Settings on your iPhone 6s and go to iCloud. Next, tap on Turn off Find My iPhone. You should also check your iPhone 6s for damage to the body or screen. If it does have damage, Apple may charge you for any additional repairs. This may cost more money than other shops that can fix your screen, so you may want to shop around and get those fixed before you take the iPhone 6s to Apple. How to get your iPhone 6s battery replaced? If your iPhone 6s is eligible for the free repair and you have backed it up and erased the data, all you need to do is hand it over to an Apple store or Apple Authorized Service Provider and they will fix it for you for free. You have 3 years after the iPhone 6s was first sold to make use of this service, so there's no need to rush. However, it's worth doing this sooner rather than later as you'll want to make use of a nice new non-faulty battery as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for daily videos.